Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it's grocery shopping day and the kids and I have gone. Well, actually, Jackson went with me. Alana was not feeling well, so Jack went with me to the grocery store, and we actually did not go to Taekwondo because Alana did not feel well, so we really went quickly so that we could get back here and be with her. So we did end up having to go to two stores. We went to Teeter because I had coupons, and then we went to Aldi. So it wasn't as bad. I don't like to go to multiple stores, but the way our new Aldi is just across the street from Teeter. And we have to make those crazy U-turn things to get back, go in the right direction. Like you can't turn left. You have to go right. Then you have to go into a U-turn thing to get to a light to turn back, to come back to my house. So it's not bad. I have to pass Aldi on that side of the road anyway, so I just stepped over. Earlier, what I did, and I'll show you this really quickly. Let me start here. I went to the Aldi website and looked up their sale for the week, and I just marked, printed out a couple things that I was going to try to get. Then I asked Alana, what did we need, when we got back home. I'm like, okay, so what do we need further to fill in? Because I knew I was getting fruit from here, because Teeter did not have good fruit prices this week. And then she's like, oh, okay, Mom, we need toilet paper, paper towels, and bread. So I just wrote those things in. I wasn't sure where I got them from. I ended up getting bread from Aldi and toilet paper and paper towels from Teeter. And I already put down what my price was supposed to be based on their sales. So here's what I discovered when I go to Aldi. They did not have, these prices were not there when I got there. So I ended up having to readjust because I added in $3 for the toilet paper and paper towels. I had planned to spend $12.03, and I ended up spending $18 because these were not their right prices in my area. So I'll start with Aldi first, since I just went over that little sheet. So I was going to pick up fruit, and then some of the fruit that I was going to get, they did not have. Just Tuesday, strawberries were $1.49. Today, they were $3.59. I was like, oh my word. So we did not get strawberries. But I did pick up two breads. They did not have the Light and Fit, the Fit and Active bread. We're getting ready to face some storm here on the East Coast. That snow is pushing through. It's already come through the western part and the middle part of the state. It is now working its ways to the East Coast. So I believe everybody went in and got their bread early while some of us were at work. So this is what was left. This is just the 100% whole wheat bread. It was half price, so 70 cents for this one, and then the honey wheat, 70 cents for that one. That was half price. We got these Fuji apples, and I believe the Fuji apples were like $2.69 or $2.59, one of those. Bananas were totally not ripe, so I didn't get them. The blueberries were supposed to be $1.69. They ended up being $1.79, but I did get a good deal on the kiwi. Kiwi was supposed to be $2.29 per 2-pound bag. Well, they didn't have any 2-pound bags. These little boxes with 6 of them in there were only 59 cents a piece. So I just picked up the 2 that they had left. I went ahead and picked up spinach. We're going to do the, what are we doing tonight? The mini raviolis with the Alfredo sauce. And I'm just going to throw some spinach in just as a green. I'm also going to throw some onions in there. So that was $1.29. We got just regular navel oranges. They were $3.49. The Light and Active the Fit and Active light string cheese was $2.79, and then the biscuit ham slices were $2.99. So all in all, together at Aldi, I spent, my total balance was $18.24. So that is what I was able to get for $18 at Aldi. So we needed to also go to Teeter because I did have some coupons for some things. And so this is what I was able to get at Teeter. All right, your Hormel chili. This is usually very, very expensive. So today they had them 3 for $4. So 3 for $4, which made them about, let me see, $1 and some change. So I would say 1 $2.35 or something like that. So $2.70, and had a 55 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.10. So I got 2 of these for $1.60 or 80 cents a piece. This Fit Light and Fit Zero artificial sweetener Greek yogurt was $1, and there was a 50 cents off coupon that doubled to $1. So this was free. These Werther's sugar-free chewy caramels, they were 2 for $4, and there was a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So these were 50 cents. The tissue was $1.99, and my standard 2 paper towels per week was 49 cents a piece, so $1. Harris Teeter for their Evic special had eggs, 77 cents a carton, maximum 4. So I got 2. We need to do egg muffins again. Their Bird's Eye. All their Bird's Eye veggies will buy one get one free at $2.99. So I got 2 of the chicken flavored rice. This is actually less smart points than the regular brown rice. I think a cup and a half of this is 4 points. So I just picked up 2 of those. And then I got the baby gold and white corn. This does not have any sauce to it. So this should be 0 points. And that was $2.99, buy one get one free. The Jimmy Dean's, last week we got the turkey crumbles. They did not have that this week. They only had these fully cooked sausage links. They were $3.33. I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So I was able to get these for $1.83, I believe. The Quaker instant oatmeal, these are just a single serve containers, were $1 a piece. And I had $1 off of 2. So they were $2 with $1 off of 2. I ended up paying 50 cents for each of these. The cheese, I did not have a coupon, but they will buy 2 get 3 free at $3.99. So I paid about $8 for 5 packages. They did not have any of the fat-free cheddar or mozzarella this week, so I just ended up getting the 2%. The Go-Go Squeeze, which is the applesauce the kids like, these were $2.99, buy one get one free, so $1.50. I had a 50 cents off coupon that doubled to $1, so I got 4 in this pack for 50 cents. These down here, these are the Hillshire snacks. They were $2.50 or 2 for 5, and I had 2 coupons that were 75 cents off that doubled to $1.50. So 2 of these I paid $1 for, and then I had 3 coupons that were 55 cents off. So $1.10. I got 3 of them for $1.40 a piece. So that's how I did that. So I was able to use 5 coupons, but they were different denominations. One was 75 cents and one was 55 cents. They only take 3 of the same like coupons. So I was good and well within my coupons for that one. And then here is a treat. Now we normally don't get treats like this, but today is 1 year ago today, Gracie came to live in our family. And no, we are not going to give Gracie any chocolate treats. We'll give her probably puppy treats we have in the pantry cabinet for her. But the kids wanted to celebrate, and they had buy one get one free at $2.59. So I just let Jackson pick out what he wanted to share with Alana. Mom will have. I do have weekly points, so I am going to have a piece of cake to help celebrate Grace's 1 year of coming to be with our family. And then finally, I needed to get some water. We're not sure if we're just going to have snow, or if we're going to have ice, or if we're going to have snow and ice. So I got water. And this week, since Sunday, we've been on a boil water ban. A boil water advisory. So I've had to boil water, but that has been lifted now, thank the Lord. So my total I spent over at Harris Teeter, my balance was $35.92. I bought 30 items. My total manufacturer's coupons was $7.20. Double coupons were $5.70. My Vic savings $33.74 for total coupons of $46.24, and my total savings was 57% today on this shopping trip. And so far this year I have saved $152.89. So that is what I was able to get at Harris Teeter. And then this is what I was able to get at Aldi. And then what I am going to do is I am going to continue to write down again like I see Indigo Neely do. every week just write down, okay, what it is that I am spending per week. So it is the 17th, and I'll just write down $35.92 and then $18 whatever I spend at Aldi, and then that's just going to be the way that I'm keeping a track of what I'm spending on my groceries. So anyway, that's our grocery haul for this week. If you like grocery haul videos, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we grocery shop, bye.